Yo, welcome to Jex Kicks, guys. Today we got an unboxing of the Supreme Avon Sunglasses here, man. So we're just gonna get right into it, man. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe to Jex Kicks, and also subscribe to my main channel, Jex Gaming, as well, if you guys are interested in gaming, especially. Hey, we got Black Ops, man. Black Ops 6 coming out, man. We're gonna be going crazy, live streams, all the other stuff. So make sure you guys head on over. All the links to my socials will be in the description down below, man. But let's get right into it, guys. And I told you, hey, got the lighting set up, got the camera quality, 4K 60. I already told you guys, man, all the love and support you guys been showing. I got you guys, man. The quality's just going to go higher and higher as we continue to make more and more videos. But anyways, enough talking, man. Here it is, man. These are my first pair of Supreme sunglasses, too. So I don't know if this is going to be a W or a L, but I wanted to take the risk. You guys can see right there. Looks really nice. And yeah, let's just open it. So we do get our Supreme sticker as always. But here we are with the Supreme box now. So let's just go ahead and open it up. And tomorrow's Supreme drop is going to be crazy. I'm going to see if I can get something. The Ducati. That's going to be a crazy collab, man. I'm going to hope I can get what I want. I don't, I'm not going to spoil what I plan on getting. But if I can get lucky with what I want tomorrow, man, expect an unboxing tomorrow. Either that or I'm going to have an unboxing of something else if I take an L. So I got you guys covered with something. But here it is. So it comes in this nice little, a leather pouch with a button. And here are you can see the Supreme logo right there. Really nice. So yeah, it looks really nice. Nothing on the back. Check it out, man. Hopefully this is a W. Nice quality, man. Definitely very nice quality in here. Really nice stuff. Dang, nice presentation, for real. Let's go ahead and see what we have here. So we get our cleaning wipe here. I'm pretty sure this is the same for all the Supreme sunglasses too, so it's nothing new really going to be going on here. You guys can see that there. Definitely pretty nice though. I definitely like the way that looks. Get like a little manual. Get some instructions of what's going to be going on. And here we have them. Here they are here. Now, I don't think that they're tinted, which does suck. Oh man, they feel nice and they feel a little heavy. I like that. I do like that. That looks pretty nice though. So far, there's the back and stuff, and it's in like a little plastic wrap. Very nice. Feels pretty sturdy. There's only one size available. This other side. And the inside right here says shows the Supreme logo. Made in Italy. Dang. Are these tinted? Are these tinted? I don't know. I don't think they are though. Wow, so off rip. Wow. Okay. Okay. Alright. I like this. I like this. These are definitely cool, man. I definitely wanted to get some sunglasses for the summertime, obviously. And I was like, hey, these are available on the site. And I was like, yo, I need them. I need them. So here's what they look like. Here's the side of them. They fit me perfectly, too. One size. Now, if you have a bigger head, I don't know how that's going to work. Because, I do feel them, kind of gripping here. The quality on them is definitely nice, though. Definitely nice quality, for sure. But when it comes to, these things might be tinted. Yeah, they might. I don't even know. I'll have to look on my phone. That's when I'll for sure be able to tell. Let me double check so I can be accurate for you guys. You can definitely see the tint while you're wearing it, obviously, but from when I was looking at it through my phone and stuff, yeah, you can't really see my eyes unless you're at a certain angle. So pretty much it is tinted. They didn't let you know in the description, so that's why I was a little confused. I'm not too sure. Like I said, these are my first Supreme sunglasses. But overall, they feel really nice. I really like the look of them. And you guys know, if you guys know me, if you guys follow me on Jex Gaming, and if you guys, are, been watching my Jex Kicks channel, you guys know my favorite color is yellow/gold. Now, they have the yellow versions of these, and I don't know if they're still available right now. I'll double check after this video, but I'm kind of tempted, man, to want to pick them up, man. I love yellow/gold. I love it, man. So, the fact that, I'm actually liking these a lot makes me definitely want to go ahead and go for those, man. I don't know if I should, if I shouldn't, man. Let me know, man. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. It's definitely a quick little chill unboxing, man. I definitely got more for you guys coming, but this is definitely really cool, man. I really like the look of these things. Definitely, especially for the summertime, it's definitely gonna be useful. definitely gonna protect your eyes for sure because of the tint and just everything. So it's really amazing. Like I'm looking at my light right here, you know, not even bothering me. Don't want to stare at it too long though, but it's definitely really cool, man. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I also plan on getting some other sunglasses from some other brands as well. Some more expensive ones just to see how they are in quality and stuff. But other than that, I do like the way these look, though. I definitely like the way these look, man. I don't know, man. I don't know if I should go for the. I don't know if I should go for the ones that are gold, though. I don't know. We'll see what happens, man. But that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my main channel, Jex Gaming. Subscribe to Jex Kicks. Follow me on TikTok, Jex Kicks. Follow me on TikTok, Jex Gaming. Twitter, all that, link in the description down below, man. I appreciate all you guys for all the love and support you guys been showing on the channel, man. Got a lot more coming for you guys, a lot more cool stuff, a lot more dope stuff. You don't want to miss out, man. I'm not even done with the setup. I got some more cool stuff. I plan on doing some different camera angles and stuff like that. So it's gonna be really cool, man. You guys don't want to, you guys are watching the process unfold right now in real time. So I really appreciate all the love and support, man. Nothing but positive vibes for you guys, man. But enough of me, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my playlist as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully tomorrow I can get a dub. If I get a dub tomorrow, we got a crazy unboxing, man. I'm gonna go crazy with that unboxing if I get a W tomorrow. So I'll see you guys there. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys are gonna be copping for tomorrow's drop as well, man. Definitely wanna know. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I said that like a million times. Peace out, man.